Hi there. Do you know the feeling when you are a beginner at something and it really sucks? I know, and especially recently, I have really felt how it sucks to be a beginner at something. And I started this YouTube channel or restarted this channel because I want to document my journey as a beginner songwriter and a singer and a musician in general. And today I decided that I want to learn something about writing lyrics for songs. And this is something that I thought I'd never do. I mean, when I was maybe 13 years old, a teenager, I promised myself that I would never ever write my own songs. And this was because during that time I took guitar lessons and music theory lessons, and there one of our tasks on those music theory lessons was to write a melody and write it on like sheet music with notes and everything. And I was just terrified because I didn't know how to write any kind of melodies. I just had no idea. And fortunately, my guitar teacher helped me with that. But I think it was a bit traumatic experience because I just felt like I cannot, I just can't write melodies. I don't know how to write anything that hasn't been written before. So uh, it was it was a horrible experience. But now, almost 20 years later, I have found myself thinking that it would be nice to write something because I feel like I have many things I'd like to say, and music would be a good way to express my feelings, tell about my experiences and others people's experiences. And yeah, now I'm here. I took a walk because I think that that sometimes helps me with starting anything. I mean, some people say that walking or being close to nature, maybe walking in a forest or something, helps with creativity. After I ate some lunch, I watched some YouTube videos about writing lyrics, how to start, and I think that was a very good idea. I mean, I love YouTube because there are so many great videos about songwriting, and it made me realize that there is so much that I don't know, and I'm not a person who can just start somehow without having any tools. I mean, I have some many sentences, phrases, maybe even verses written down, but nothing is complete. I mean, they are like from different songs and everything. So I've got nothing that is complete, and it frustrates me a lot because I think that there could be some very good lyrics, but I just can't finish anything. So it's very frustrating. But by watching some of those videos, I already got some ideas on how I could continue one part of lyrics or start new ones. After that, I took a walk and tried to digest what I had learned, and I think in a moment I will watch a couple videos more because this subject is very interesting and I want to start learning and know some very basic stuff. Like, I think one of my problems is that I'm very ambitious and I would want to write like amazing mind-blowing lyrics instantly, but I know that it may not be possible, or I don't know, maybe for some talented, like naturally talented people, it's easy, but for me it's not. So I just have to accept that being a beginner sucks every time, but music is something that you learn by doing, so I should not limit myself in any way. If something that I have written sucks, I can just throw it in the trash bin or something. I don't have to publish anything if I don't want to. But still, it's something that I've been thinking about a while, and now I am really trying to start. And I decided to start with lyrics because I feel that it's easier for me, and well, another reason for that is that I can't play any instrument very well anymore. I mean, I quit guitar maybe almost 15 years ago, maybe even sooner. So I think it has been like 15 to 17 years since I touched guitar last time. So I really regret that because it would help me so much. Because composing by singing is a bit tricky and maybe somehow limiting, I think. I also have a keyboard at home, but I'm not at home at the moment and I don't have access to any instruments here, so that's also another reason why I decided to dive into lyric writing today. And I know some very, very basic music theory, but I know a few chords on a guitar and keyboard, and that's all. I have to learn more about music theory in the future, but for now, lyric writing, this is so difficult. Lyric writing is going to be the first thing that I will focus on, and as soon as I get back home, I have to take the keyboard, for example, and start learning some very basic stuff first. Now I think I'm going to watch a couple more videos of writing lyrics, but I have to say that those videos that I already watched were very good, and they talked about song mapping and a concept that is very good for starting new lyrics. And I think I already have one title idea in my mind, but I'm just a bit afraid to decide one now, because what if I get a better idea later? That is something that a bit holds me back, but the person on that video said that you can of course change the title if you get an idea of a better one. So it's not like so that when you decide one title, it's going to be that forever and nothing can change that. So yeah, maybe I just have to start somewhere. And I think the idea of a concept of a song is very good too, because I think you can't start writing something if you don't have any kind of idea. If I understood correctly, the idea, a concept behind a song is something similar to synopses that are used in scripting movies or something like that. If I understood correctly, I'm not like 100% sure, but I think so. I have many concept ideas, or at least I think so, but I just haven't put them into practice. And another, I don't know, is it a positive problem? Maybe, but I just think that I have quite many concept ideas and I'd like to work on all of those at the same time. And I know that it's not very, or at least for me, it may not be the best way to work on anything. I should just pick one and work on that, and when it's ready, then move on to another one. Then I think that I am trying to put everything in one song, even though that I know that I don't need to and I can't. And yeah, I just tend to make things more complicated than they really are. So yeah, I should just take a deep breath now, maybe have a cup of tea or something, watch those other videos, and then just sit down and start writing something, even rough ideas if I don't come up with anything that is like finished and polished. But yeah, that are my thoughts about being a beginner songwriter. I hope that someone can relate to this. I mean, you can be a beginner at anything, but still, like, it really sucks when you realize how much you don't know and where to start. Let's see what happens. Maybe one day I can show you if I got anything. If I could write a full lyrics to a song. But see you next week. Bye.